Hi, I'm Cameron from CMR Automotive in Marrickville. Come through the workshop and we'll see what we've got in today. Got a Range Rover in for service heated seat belts, a 600 Grosser in for hydraulics and windows. Guys are fitting out a Ford Ranger, dual battery system, reversing cameras, camping equipment. We've got a 560 SL for some pretty serious rust repairs, all the rust on the ground there. We've got an Audi A4. Audi A4 in for an engine rebuild. Do quite a lot of these. It needs a set of pistons. Toyota Hilux just in for some basic service. We've got a Bentley Flying Spur in for some suspension work. A Pagoda in for a couple of small electrical bits and pieces. We've got this Land Cruiser if you want to have a look. In to replace some climate control motors. It's a bit of a job there that the guys have underway. And this Prestige old Porsche for some carburetor rebuilds. So that's all from us, but as you can see, we do pretty much everything.